Ready to level up your bug bounty game? In this comprehensive tutorial, we'll guide you through creating a 24/7 cloud-based security lab that's scalable, efficient, and perfectly suited for automated bounty hunting.
This cloud-based lab offers unparalleled accessibility, scalability, and cost-effectiveness, making it an essential tool for bug bounty hunters, cybersecurity students, and cloud engineers looking to enhance their capabilities. Choosing the right cloud provider is crucial for your bug bounty lab. We'll compare AWS, GCP, and Azure, highlighting their unique strengths and considerations for your specific needs. AWS offers extensive services and robust infrastructure, though it can be more costly. Its pay-as-you-go model provides flexibility, but careful management is key to controlling expenses.
GCP stands out with competitive pricing and strong security features. It often provides significant discounts on both general-purpose and compute-optimized instances, making it a cost-effective choice for many. Azure provides seamless integration with Microsoft products, ideal for those already within the Microsoft ecosystem. Microsoft's Azure Hybrid Benefit allows businesses to leverage existing licenses for cost savings. While Azure leads in growth with 29% in 2024, outpacing AWS at 12% and GCP at 22%, pricing ultimately depends on your required services, specific plans, discount options, and resource usage.
For anonymity, always use payment methods that don't link back to your identity, such as cryptocurrency or prepaid credit cards, to maintain operational security. Now, let's set up your always-on virtual machine. First, sign up with minimal personal information and use a VPN to mask your IP address during registration for enhanced privacy.
Next, launch a VM instance. We recommend choosing a Linux distribution like Ubuntu or Kali Linux, known for their robust security features and extensive tool sets for cybersecurity professionals. Configure your instance type to suit your needs. Smaller instances are sufficient for lightweight tasks, but for extensive scanning or brute forcing, a more powerful setup might be required. Finally, configure persistent storage and networking settings. This ensures your lab is always accessible and your data remains intact, even after reboots or scaling operations. Operational security, or OpSec, is paramount. We'll cover VPN and proxy setup to ensure your activities remain anonymous and secure. Install a reputable VPN service directly on your VM to hide your cloud server's IP address, adding a critical layer of anonymity to your operations. For even greater security, consider routing your traffic through the Tor network, which provides enhanced anonymity by bouncing your communications through a distributed network of relays. Set up strict firewall rules to control incoming and outgoing traffic. Only allow connections from trusted sources to prevent unauthorized access to your lab.
Maintain good OpSec practices by never using personal accounts or information. Avoid creating patterns that could be traced back to you, ensuring your anonymity is preserved. Now, let's install HexStrike MCP and other essential bug bounty tools. HexStrike AI is an MCP server designed for cybersecurity professionals and ethical hackers, providing AI-assisted penetration testing capabilities. Walk through the installation process, showing the HexStrike agent running live. This powerful tool combines professional security utilities with autonomous AI agents for comprehensive testing. Beyond HexStrike, integrate other crucial tools like Nmap for network discovery, Metasploit for exploitation, and Burp Suite for web vulnerability testing. Consider adding OWASP Zap for automated web application security testing, Postman for API testing, and Wapalizer for technology profiling to your arsenal. Next, we'll demonstrate a live deployment scenario, triggering and monitoring agent actions in real time to identify potential vulnerabilities. Trigger an agent action and observe its progress on the HexStrike dashboard. This allows you to see how automated tools interact with target systems. Analyze the results to identify potential vulnerabilities. The detailed output from HexStrike and other tools will help you pinpoint weaknesses effectively. Logging, monitoring, and alerting are crucial. Monitor logs and set up alerts, which act as tripwires in your network, notifying you of any suspicious activity.
Contextualize alerts based on user roles, past behavior, and resource sensitivity to reduce false positives and prioritize genuine threats.
Automate incident response using predefined playbooks. This ensures rapid and consistent action when an alert is triggered, minimizing potential damage. Let's discuss essential security tips, including budget management, account protection, and overall operational safety for your cloud lab.
Crafting a budget-friendly and effective cloud security strategy can be challenging, but with the right planning and tools, it becomes a breeze.
Implement multi-factor authentication for all your cloud accounts. This adds an extra, completely free layer of protection against unauthorized access.
Regularly review and update your cloud security strategy and budget to adapt to new threats and technological advancements, ensuring continuous protection. Want my Terraform and cloud templates to quickly set up your own lab? Comment with your preferred cloud provider below and subscribe for a free setup pack.
Thank you for watching this tutorial on building your cloud-based bug bounty lab. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others secure their systems.